पूछते हो जमाने से हमारी क्या कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक हिंदुस्तानी है। A very pleasant good morning to esteemed, respected chief guest, principal ma'am, cherished faculty members, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents, dear students, and those who are present here. All of you, I'm wishing you a very happy Republic Day to you all. Today is the day when everyone must come together at a one platform that to celebrate our nation's 72nd Republic Day today. We just have to gather at a one place to celebrate or to show our stamina, our ability, our capability, to show the world that this nation is the best nation under the sun. Dear audience, 26th January, we are celebrating as a Republic Day because it was on the root of, on the date of 26th January 1950, Indian Constitution came into the force. Ladies and gentlemen, 26th January was chosen as a Republic Day because it was on the same date in 1930 when the Declaration of Indian Independence, that is Purna Swaraj, that is full freedom, was proclaimed by Indian National Congress. On 20th August 1947, the drafting committee was appointed to draft a permanent constitution with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as a chairman. After so many deliberations and modifications, the 308 assembly members were agreed and signed off on two handwritten copies of Indian Constitution on 24th January 1950. And later 2 days, it came into the force. And that's how we are celebrating our nation's Republic Day. We will have our traditional lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and arts, that by our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Subhda Joshi Das ma'am. So I would like to invite our principal ma'am to move towards lamp lighting ceremony.
Hello.
महज किरदार ही क्यों, खुद में एक कहानी बनो। हिंदू मुस्लिम तो सब ठीक है, पहले एक हिंदुस्तानी बनो। Here once again I would like to invite Principal Ma'am on the stage. We actually need not to say more about our today's guest. The whole campus is vibrating and echoing her prominence. The woman of distinct vision and found-headed of illuminating ideas and ideal knowledge and experience. For to welcome our today's chief guest, I would like to invite Miss Madhuri Nimbarkar ma'am to come on the stage and to offer her bouquet.
Visuals are good.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to request to Honorable Principal ma'am to hoist the national flag, pride of our nation. Now we all please remain stand up and get ready for national anthem.
तिरंगे का सलामी करेंगे। सलामी दो, एक, दो, नेशनल एंथम शुरू करेंगे। शुरू कर।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाए तव जय गाथा। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय,
वंदे
मातरम,
वंदे
मातरम,
वंदे
मातरम,
महात्मा गांधी की
जय,
महात्मा गांधी की
जय,
डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर की
जय,
डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर की
जय।
सेल्टिक।
Now once again I would like to request all of you to remain stand up at your position for school prayer.
सर स्क्रीनशॉट होते स्क्रीनशॉट घेतलं.
Now you can take your questions. Please sit down. ऐक्य बल समाजस्य तद्भावे सदुर्बल तस्मात् ऐक्य प्रशंसन्ति दृढ़ राष्ट्र हितैषिणः. It means unity is the strength of any society. If we will deny or without unity, society will be a weak. Hence, those who wish the good for the nations, for any kind of nations, we just have to strengthen the power to our unity. It is a great honor for me to introduce our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Subhra Doshi Vyas ma'am, on the dais to guide us on this auspicious day today. Please, ma'am.
So, very good morning to all of you. Respected Chairman sir, respected Director ma'am. So, they are not present here today, but they are there in our hearts. So, it's my pleasure welcoming them to the program. Dear teachers, those who are the power of institution, my dear children, and most valuable part of this particular institution, dear parents, I wish a very happy 72nd Republic Day to entire fraternity, entire education fraternity from bottom of my heart. Without the institution nowadays is just like a body without soul. Children are not there, but yes, today we wished that yes, children should be there with us, though online mode. So dear children, be spirited, be very confident, and be very determined. Definitely, the day is going to come when again we will be here together. So as Ramteke sir already told you, everybody knows what actually is the importance of Republic Day. So I am going to speak something else other than what actually is the Republic Day. We have a great honor, we have a great pride, we have a great love, care for the martyrs, those who have lost their life and they have made our country India free from the British rule. And ultimately, in 1950, we got our country republic. So once we should give a big hand for all our martyrs, those who were the fighters, those who are the brave soldiers who made this possible today. Okay, so give a big hand to all our martyrs. Now, as the technology is growing ahead and ahead, science and technology is proving its value, worth throughout the world. But somewhere we are losing social bonding. Though we have not many social sites with us, but still we are losing social bonding. As Ramteke sir said, unity. Unity is the strength, unity is the power. India is a country of varied culture, India is a country of varied religion, but we really show the entire world what we are, how we are united. And the main sole pillar behind this is the leader of the nation. The leader of the nation, or respected Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So ultimately, I would like to tell you that today we are sitting here as teachers, we are part of education fraternity. We have a highest responsibility on our shoulders, because if we want to make our PM's goal, vision true, then we need to work hard for this, because Our torch bearers for tomorrow are our little tiny tots or children, those who are going to prove their mettle based on the education which we are providing them. Okay? So the main thing which we should be determined on, that best education we need to provide, and we need to make them understand the importance of unity. Okay? So unity is something which we need to develop amongst our kids. We are really not liking this online mode of education and all, but nowadays we don't have any other like platform through which we can groom our children. So utilizing this particular platform, we are trying to give the best education to the children, but at the same time, it's our responsibility that we need to take them to the heights whenever they'll come to us. I'm very happy that from coming week we are going to start with the schools for our grade 5 to grade 8 students, and definitely again the charm, the charisma, the livelihood, the vibes, the positive vibes will again be a part of our campus, and definitely will cherish it. Okay? So at the end, before quitting from this particular speech, I would like to say something about our country. Like, though the country is having various cultures, various religions, but still it is one, it's united. The main mission, the main vision which we do have is Ek Bharat. Okay? So, I would like to say some lines on this particular poem, on this particular or Mother Earth India. कहीं ऊंचे पर्वत, कहीं बहती नदियाँ, कहीं ऊंचे पर्वत, कहीं बहती नदियाँ, कहीं मंदिर मस्जिद की अजान, कहीं मंदिर की घंटियाँ, कहीं मस्जिद की अजान, कहीं मंदिर की घंटियाँ, गदगद कर देती है हमें ये हिंदुस्तानी संस्कृतियाँ, गदगद कर देती है हमें ये हिंदुस्तानी संस्कृतियाँ. So we need to be very particular regarding this unity, and the same strength we need to have in our school. So God bless you all once again. I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day, and the strength, the capacity, the spirit which you people have, the same we need to continue, and a day will come that we will take our institution to the heights which we are behind. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your precious and motivational words. Definitely, on one day we will be on the top of the positions. ना सरकार मेरी है, ना रॉब मेरा है, ना बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है, मुझे तो एक छोटी सी बात का गर्व है, मैं हिंदुस्तान का हूँ और हिंदुस्तान मेरा है. Now I am turning towards vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank you, Principal Ma'am, that you have given your precious time to become today's event very successful. I really thankful to you from my bottom of heart. Also, I would like to thank all the supporting members, supporting staff, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, parents, and my dear students. I am very thankful to you that to be present here. Here I am declare we end of today's Republic Day program. Now once again I would like to say Happy Republic Day to you all. Have a good day. Now you just have to stand up for Vande Mataram.
मदन शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम।
Now you can take your questions. The today's Republic Day event is